Hi, I'm Jody from Sportsmith's tech support team, and this video will help you troubleshoot error 32 on most any Precor equipment. Error 32 means the communication from the upper PCA or board is not reaching the lower board. Precor machines including treadmills, ellipticals, bikes, and climbers use this error. This error happens when there is a total loss of communication between the upper and lower board, or when communication is erratic from the lower to upper board. The most common failure for this error is a fault with the interconnect cable between the upper and lower boards. This fault can be caused by several things. Damaged cable. Substitute a known good interconnect cable between the upper and lower PCAs to determine if the cable is faulty. If the error returns, the cable is not causing the error. If the error does not return, replace the cable. Cable not inserted completely. Here's a shot of a cable not completely inserted into the connector, which results in a tab that is not locked. This shot shows an interconnect cable completely inserted into the connector and the tab locked. If the locking tab does not engage or will not prevent the cable from being pulled out, replace the cable. Cable connected to the wrong connection. Verify you have the cable inserted into the correct connector on both the lower and upper boards. Sometimes the connector will be marked with a label such as "to lower PCA." Overloaded or damaged lower or upper board. A bad upper or lower board, as well as an overloaded or shorted power circuit on the lower PCA, can also cause error 32. This is usually due to an external component plugged into the upper or lower PCA. To rule this out, unplug power or turn the unit off. Unplug all cables other than the power to the lower PCA and the interconnect cable between the upper and lower board. Reconnect power to the machine. If the error returns, the issue is with the upper or lower board. Disconnect the battery or power cord and substitute a known good lower PCA to determine if the lower PCA is defective. Repeat the process for the upper PCA to determine if the upper board is defective. Don't forget to unplug the unit or disconnect the battery before each change. If the error did not return with the previous step, connect one item such as an entertainment add-on or the lift motor. If the error does not reappear, turn off the power and reconnect another item. When the error returns, this indicates the last item plugged in is the issue and will need replaced. This completes the Precor Error 32 troubleshooting steps from Sportsmith. Thanks for your support during our more than 25 years in the business.